Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm participating in a collab that's being hosted by the DIY Mommy, and it's called the Spring DIY Decor Challenge. The Spring DIY Decor Challenge, hosted by the DIY Mommy. So my DIY is going to be super simple because I'm using this case, which I hauled in an earlier video, and I got it from Goodwill, and you can see the price tags are still on it. I got 2 of these from Goodwill, and somebody tells me that these are for DVDs. So, but I know what I'm using it for. So let's get started. I want to thank the DIY Mommy for hosting this challenge, and please go down into the playlist and check out the other creators who are participating. Let's get started. So I have 3 candles that I hauled in a previous video, and I think these were $2 each, something like that. My colors this year are yellow for the season. This wreath is a wreath that I've had, a garland I have that's left over, and kind of folded it all over. It's really 2 garlands in one. So, very simply, I'm going to put this inside of this box. So, okay, I think I like how this looks. I've got the 3 candles lined up. I got my wreath. Why do I keep calling this a wreath? It's a garland, and my Goodwill CD or DVD stand box. That's what it looks like. Very simple, and I'll show you where I'm going to place this.